Okay, so we've we're going to look at the instructions here, and as you can see, we've already done the downloads of the plane and the sceneries, and we've installed the SP9A9 scenery into FSX, and now we're going to, which was the carrier group, and now we have to get the truck installed as well. So um, we're going to unzip the truck scenery. So if we go back to uh, our downloads, and we got this is probably the more complex scenery install. So let's unzip it, extract all, just like we did with the SP9 scenery. And so then again, you get the same thing. We'll extract it right there, right where everything else is. Now this has its own detailed install instructions. Again, it pops up with its own folder, but we don't need too many windows. We'll just find its folder here. Here's the unzipped version of that. So we should be able to see it over here too. So we're in downloads. We can close AP9. There's the truck one. We'll go there. Okay, there it is. And now there's all the insides of that. Now, it's got directions here somewhere. There it is. Install. So we'll double click on that to open it. And it tells you what you need to do. So pretty simple. The effects folder should be copied into the effects, the sound into the sound, and the sim objects into the boat, installs into the boats used in boat traffic, and the scenery should be installed. Uh, install the boat traffic. Let's see, scenery folder will install the boat traffic. Okay, so and then the truck scenery must be installed using their installation, but the scenery must be below the truck objects. Okay, so let's start with the scenery. And if we open that, there's your objects and scenery file. So we need to install both those into FSX. So like we did with the last, let's just move the add-on scenery folder copy and paste that into our add-on scenery folder for, well, that might be too confusing. So let's just copy these two objects into the add-on scenery. So we'll highlight both of them. I hold the control button down and then left click on each one, or you can just select them both. But anyway, so we'll copy those and then we'll go over here and we'll paste those into our add-on scenery at FSX. Okay, so they'll pop right in there. Now we got those in there too. So now we can go back to our simulator, and just like we did with the last one, we're going to add those two areas. So we go to our add-on scenery, there's truck objects, we highlight that and choose OK. Again, we have to click in that white area for it to work, otherwise, because the OK button doesn't work. Now we're going to do the we've got the objects in there and we need to do the scenery. So again, we select that, choose OK, and again we have to click up here in the white area just underneath the file so that it shows up. Once you got them showing up in the main folder there, that's good. Just choose OK. And now we have the scenery installed. We have to install the rest of the effects and sounds and whatnot there. So now